listening? What do you see? What do you hear? Huh? Those were the squirrels, Buck. Those were the squirrels you were listening to, baby. You smell rain? Is that what you're smelling in the air? Is rain coming? Here, you want my apples? Here, baby. You like your mouth? Here. You give me the shoulder like that. You gotta wait. You paying attention? All right. Pay attention. I'll cut up your apples in the meantime. While you look to see who's there, but I don't see nobody. Those are squirrels, Buck. Big boy, those are squirrels. Is that what you're listening to? Is that what you hear? Do you hear something I don't? Because I don't hear nothing besides the squirrels rattling inside the leaves. And I see the little birdies flying around us. I hear nothing else. I don't know what you hear, what you see, Buck. I don't know what he hears right now. I don't know, he hears something. Do you hear something, baby? You hear something? Backed up a little bit just in case if he gets crazy. I wish he would let me touch him because I'm actually so close to him right now. I wish I could touch you, Buck. Right there on your back. Just scratch you. What do you hear, baby? You want more apples? I have more. I know you're paying attention to something. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. You're such a beautiful boy. You want more apples? I got more. You're just chilling? You want to listen to the sounds? You hear the school buses? That's why I don't walk all the way over there, because the school buses are there. You stay here with me. It's like hearing something. He hears or paying attention to something. Unless he sees something I don't see. He's paying attention to all the cars that are passing by. That was a school bus, baby. You want more apples? All right. I guess he was daydreaming before, I don't know. You want more? I got more, baby. Here. Want more apples? Here, Buck. Want more? You leaving, big boy? You gonna leave me? Are you gonna go check out what's over there? If you're scared, you stay here. You don't have to go over there. You can stay here if you're scared. You can stay here with mommy if you're scared. You scared, big boy? I don't see nothing with nobody. Nobody's allowed to walk in here, so there's nobody in here, Buck, but you and the forest animals. And then you got me on the side. Which in the spring, I'll be planting grass for you, some fall clovers. And mommy's gonna try to plant you an apple tree. Yeah, I got more. Want more apples? Want more? Yeah, there's more. I don't know what he keeps hearing. He must hear something I don't. Like, you must have really good ears, because I don't hear nothing. besides the animals that are in here. He hears the animals. It's the squirrels and the birds making noise, and I don't know what he thinks. What do you think it is, baby? You want more apples? Here. Here. Now go inside. Ready? Right there. Okay, those are your last pieces. Now I know you're eating fast. Look at my beautiful boy. What happened, Buck? What do you see? Do you see something I don't? I don't see nothing. You see something? I don't. I don't know what he hears or sees. Baby, that's the squirrels. They're making the noise in there. He's too funny, I swear. That's the only thing I could think of, Buck. The noise in there is the squirrels, baby. It's okay. Clean yourself. It's okay. Look at that long neck. You almost have like a giraffe neck. I mean, not as long as a giraffe, but yeah, long neck. I don't know what he sees. Where he's standing right now, like he sees something. Maybe he sees a female dog somewhere. Oh, his hair is up. I don't know what he sees. I don't know. He sees something or hears something. There's nobody in there. No people in there walking around because I don't see nobody. But he must hear something I don't because I don't see anything besides the squirrels running around. You protecting us, Buck? You protecting me and you? And there you can protect both of us. And out here, Buck, I'll protect you. What do you see, big boy? Look at those muscles. What do you see? Let's dance. Looks like you want to beat somebody up right now. You want to kick? Whose ass do you want to kick, Buck? Whose butt do you want to kick? Maybe he smells a doe. Maybe there's a doe in there somewhere. And he smells her. That's the only thing I could think of because I don't see nobody. Buck, you smell something I don't? Or you see something I don't? Because I don't. I don't see nothing. I don't know what he sees. So cute. He looks beautiful standing like this. Buck, I gotta take a picture of you like this because you look so cute. Look at you. My baby. We've been hanging out already for a half hour and thank God it's not raining. I wish the sun was out. I still don't know what he's paying attention to because I don't see nothing. So I don't know what he hears in there. I don't see nothing. You ate all the apples I gave you, right? Yes, you did. You ate all the apples I threw. What do you see, baby? Do you hear something, Buck? Do you hear something, baby? I don't know. I don't see nothing. Do you see something? I don't see nothing. I gotta get myself binoculars, Buck. Mommy's got to give me some binoculars so then I could look with you and see what the hell you're looking at. 'Cause I don't know what he's looking at. He's been standing still like that for a while now looking. Right? I hope everyone enjoyed my video. I'm actually going to go inside in a little bit. I'm probably going to leave him here. I don't know. I think the only thing I could think of, he's paying attention to cars down the road, down the street. Or the noise of the squirrels running around in there is like, he thinks it's something else. Because the way he's ooh, he's stomping. Something is making him mad right now. And it's not me. Imagine he smells like another buck. There's like another buck in there somewhere. And he could smell it. That would be crazy. Because his hair is up. I mean, he was cleaning himself before, but now his hair is still up. So, there's got to be something he senses right now that he does not like. Because I could tell the way he's standing. He's mad because he was like, before stomping his leg in the front. I don't know what he's mad about. I'm going to stay out here a little longer after I end this video. Just to make sure that there's nobody bothering him. He's going to go figure out. He's definitely going to go figure out what's going on. You going to go see what's going on, Buck? You going to go see what's going on, baby? He's very curious right now. I'm definitely going to hang out with him after I end this because I want to make sure that nothing is going to bother him or anything. I don't see nobody. I don't see anything. But he never really did this before like that. So I'll stay out here with him until he shows me that he's okay and he's calm. Nah, he's good. I think before he was just smelling the squirrels or something. You good, Buck? All right, baby, go find your dough. If that's what you're smelling, you go find that dough. You go find your dough. And bring mommy back some Bambies. By springtime, I want to see some Bambies. He's just in the bathroom. Sorry, guys. All right, Buck. You gonna go make your runs? Go walk around? He's gonna go walk around. Alright, well now he looks more content. He's still curious. I don't know what's making him so curious. Hopefully it's a doe in there, Buck. That's what you're smelling. It better not be another buck. Then we're gonna have to show that buck who's boss, Buck. I don't want my baby fighting. No way. I don't know. The way he's standing, he senses something. Something, I don't know, because I don't see nothing. So if there's another deer close by right now, he must smell it, because I don't see nothing. I'm keeping my eyes open, too. Alright, I'm going to end this, because then it's going to take forever to upload this video. So, everyone, I will see you guys tomorrow morning. You will see tomorrow morning's video. The next video after this one that I post is going to be tomorrow morning's video. So everyone, have a good night. See you guys soon.